Hey everybody, Ed Staten here with you once again. I'm not screaming, I'm not shouting, I'm not waving a lot of bling, talking about the new house or anything like that. I'm not promising you that you're going to make $1 million overnight. But what I am here for is to talk to you about the virtues of online marketing and how you can take advantage of opportunities to make serious cash, life-changing cash, and continue to control the destiny of your career and the direction that you want it to go, so that you can travel and work at the same time, travel to see family, go to places that you've never seen before, but most importantly, involved with that is just not being chained down to a desk and having to go to that same office every day. So we're looking for freedom and other opportunities. So I do want to talk to you about online marketing today and how it's helped us to be able to market products so much differently than in the past, okay? Now, I come from a background of working with TV stations and radio stations, and there's a lot of value in those properties. They offer what's called a mass audience. One of the TV stations that I worked for had a 23-county viewing area, still does. So that's perfect for McDonald's, Wendy's, the Ford dealerships, because they want to reach those mass audiences. But I'll tell you what it's not good for, the type of products that it's really not good for. What about a bankruptcy attorney? Most of the people watching that TV station, they're not interested in going bankrupt. How about fine jewelry? Well, I would say a very small percentage of the people that see a fine jewelry commercial on a TV station or even in the market for it, much less could afford it. So think about those wasted dollars that are spent in traditional mass audience media platforms. Okay, so suddenly the internet evolved, and heck, I don't know who invented it. It could have been Al Gore. We just don't know. But more importantly, what the internet allows you to do is to reach the all-important targeted niche audience. Okay, so when I'm doing e-commerce, and let's say I'm selling LSU t-shirts on Amazon or through Facebook, but more specifically Facebook, I can literally design a campaign that I can promote an LSU t-shirt and promote it to people that have an interest in not just LSU, but let's say LSU football, if I'm trying to market maybe that shirt that they were pushing after they defeated the Alabama Crimson Tide, okay? So that is extremely important to be able to reach that targeted audience. Very little waste and a much, much more improved return on your investment. So how does that apply to your efforts to get involved with affiliate marketing? Well, if you were trying to sell a certain product, maybe a diabetes reversal diet, so how would you market that? Well, you could try to market that through Facebook, and you could very, very likely have success because, believe it or not, when you're marketing that product through Facebook, you can go into their ad builder and direct where you want your ad to go, and you can literally pick people that are interested in diabetes reversal, treatments for diabetes. So that concept goes on and on and on. It it multiplies your return on investment, which is so important because you don't want to spend $100 to sell something and get a $50 commission. I'm stating things that are extremely obvious, but we want to make profitability, and we want to continue to do that. I hope this information that I'm sharing with you is informative, albeit in thumbnail form, so to speak. Just kind of going over some of the high points. I do want to share this with you. I work with a team. It's headed up by Josh Elder. It's an incredibly talented team that puts out incredible information that will help you along with your path towards starting your own online business, whether it's e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or maybe you want to have your own digital marketing agency and do work for clients as well. So the possibilities really are endless. There's just so much information to absorb on the pathway towards generating the career and the freedom that you desire. So if that's what you're looking for, if you want to take the next step towards doing some investigation on your own about what you can perhaps learn and discover and profit from, please click the link below. And also, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel, as I'll continue to be putting out more information that I hope, again, will prove to be helpful in your quest for your new career and profitability. Thank you very much.